Bombardier CRJ-700 regional jet and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collided directly above the Potomac River. All 67 people aboard both aircraft perished, marking the deadliest aviation accident in U.S. airspace in the 21st century. American Eagle Flight 5342 was completing a routine and peaceful journey from Wichita, Kansas. As the jet descended toward Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, 64 passengers and crew members prepared for landing. Simultaneously, an Army Black Hawk was conducting a low-altitude training flight just south of the city. The weather was clear, but a catastrophic convergence of hidden failures was already underway. The NTSB investigation revealed that the helicopter's altimeter was deceiving its crew, reading 80 to 100 feet lower than their actual altitude. The pilots believed they were flying at a safe distance. They were completely wrong. Inside the Washington control tower, overwhelmed air traffic controllers warned the commercial jet of nearby traffic. However, they provided no specific instructions to climb or descend. Outside, the twilight sky created a deadly visual trap known as the twilight illusion. Against the dark sky, the commercial jet was virtually invisible. Against the bright city lights of Washington, D.C., the helicopter looked like nothing more than a tiny, slow-moving shadow. The two aircraft were on a direct collision course, and neither pilot could see the other until it was far too late. With less than 3 seconds to react, avoidance was physically impossible. At exactly 8:47 p.m., they collided, sending both severely damaged aircraft plunging into the freezing waters of the Potomac River. The tragedy exposed deeply flawed systems that had been ignored for years. Helicopter training routes were fundamentally designed to intersect with commercial flight paths, relying entirely on pilots just seeing each other. Worse still, the military helicopter was not broadcasting its location. Due to a national security exemption, the Black Hawk had its NTSB tracking system turned off, rendering the jet's collision avoidance system completely blind to the threat. Following this devastating loss, the FAA and NTSB demanded sweeping changes. The military exemption for tracking systems was revoked for routine flights in civilian airspace, and helicopter operations near the airport were strictly limited. Today, flying remains the safest way to travel, heavily protected by overlapping layers of security. But this safety is written in the hard lessons of the past. The 67 lives lost over the Potomac River serve as a tragic and permanent reminder that in aviation there is no room for systemic failure.